teach your machine elements how to feel. With the integrated sensors from core sensing, you can transform a mechanical component into an intelligent sensor to record forces and torques where they occur, right in the middle of the action. Our sensor components monitor important components in the load path, such as shafts, bearings or gears. Important process variables are recorded directly and enable the direct assessment of the process quality. The intelligent sensor components communicate wirelessly with our IoT gateway and can thus be used in the machine control system as well as transmitted directly to the cloud. The standardized sensors can be integrated into different machine elements and components. Current loads are displayed in real time, and any overload situations are stored in the component history and can be read out and analyzed at a later time. Connect your smartphone or tablet via Bluetooth to the intelligent sensors and display and evaluate current and past sensor data. With your own customizable rules, you can set trigger points to automatically log the measurement data in the event of an overload and read it out from the sensor later. Our sensors are protected inside the component and are therefore suitable for harsh environmental conditions, for example in commercial vehicles. By monitoring torques, systems can be controlled in an energy-efficient manner, and maintenance intervals can be estimated according to requirements. This is done with measured loads instead of estimated data. But how does the sensor work, and how does it get into the various components? The sensor elements detect loads with the help of the proven strain gauge technology. These universal sensor elements can then be integrated into tubes or drilled components. Our patented integration process fixes the sensor element firmly inside the component. Every load on the component is thus detected by the sensor element. The energy-saving and intelligent measuring electronics offers smart features that go far beyond the detection of the sensor signal. Intelligent event recognition and data processing based on artificial intelligence offers limitless possibilities for your application. The two-channel strain gauge amplifier records load variables such as torques, axial forces, transverse forces or bending moments, rotational speed, 3-axis accelerations, as well as the temperature. The intelligent energy management enables battery runtimes of several months to years. This means that the self-sufficient sensor components are perfectly protected from mechanical influences and environmental impacts. An inductive energy and data transmission solution completes the portfolio and enables uninterrupted continuous operation with the highest sampling rate and lowest latency. Whether individual pieces or series application, our sensor is ideally suited for drive shafts as well as non-symmetrical components and measures exactly the mechanical parameters you need for your application. Let us convince you of the many possible applications for smart machine elements and how they can help you to monitor and control processes, predict maintenance intervals and machine conditions, and reliably record operating loads. Contact us today. We'll be happy to help you to find the right sensor and monitoring solution for your application.